In this demo, I'm going to show you how to create a simple web service using Oracle JDeveloper 11.1.2.3. We'll create a new Java desktop application, give it a name, hit next, and finish. The first class that we are going to add in this project is, we'll call it country, and we'll add two attributes in this class. One would be ID and the other would be name. We'll add the getters and setters for these two attributes. This class is going to hold our data. The next class that we are going to add is countries, which will hold the list of country objects. We'll add an attribute here called list of country. I'm not using any database here. This is just a sample class that will hold the list of countries. We'll add the getters and setters of this particular list. And the get countries, we will check if the countries is already filled. If it is not filled, I'll just add some temporary country into the list. To make it simple, let me add the ID and the name as the parameter in the constructor. So the two parameters that the constructor takes is the ID and the name, and I'll assign the member variables of the class to these input variables. Now I'll add some dummy country information into the list by adding new instances of country object into the list. Let me say Italy, identified by IT. Then I'll add two more countries. One would be India, one is US. We'll just save all. Now we'll convert the countries class into a web service. Oracle JDeveloper comes with inbuilt out-of-the-box service for creating a class into a web service. I'll add one more method into the countries class to add a new country. This will also be exposed as a web service operation to the clients. So I'll say add country, takes country object as input, and I'll just add it to the list that this class maintains. So now our web service is ready. We'll just run this web service and see how it behaves. We'll just invoke the service. The first call will be get countries. When you click on this again, all three countries will be returned, and then I'll add a country, say England, and invoke the add country operation. This country will be added to the list. When we invoke the get countries again, the England will be seen. So your web service is ready. You can deploy it to any application server now.